You want to eat, Lucy? You want to eat? Are you sitting down? Sit down. Sit down. There's a good girl. Okay. You sit. Wait. Wait. I said wait. Eat. Lucy likes to make sure that it doesn't disappear before she's finished eating. She's afraid it's going to biodegrade in like, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, not even. That's why I add water to the food. Slow her down a little bit. But you'll notice it doesn't spend much time in the bowl, the water, or the food. She makes plenty sure of that. And here we are a minute now, and she's found the bottom of the bowl. Good girl. And she's doing her best to make sure that the food doesn't disintegrate before it's consumed. And my cat is trying to make an appearance too. Gotta get in on the act. You can't leave those little morsels behind now, can you, Lucy? And when she's finished eating, she'll have something to tell us off. Uh-oh. 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 You can't reach the bowl, can you, Lucy? Come here. She gets so involved in what she's doing, she has no idea. She's pushed the bowl out of range. All done? You all done, Lulus? The cat has to get in on the show here. All done, Lucy? Gotta check the bowl now. She's a really good bowl checker. Oh, it's gone under the cabinet now. Can't reach it anymore. What you gotta say to us? Did you get that? That was her little commentary. After she eats, she likes to give me a nice little belch. Is that it? Thank you for watching.